Hello students, this is class 3rd B. Class 3rd B. Subject is GK and date is 10th of May 2021. So today we are studying lesson 17, Amazing Animals. So lesson 17, Amazing Animals. Amazing Animals. So page number 26. Page number 26. You also see page number 26. So now see first, open page number 26 and it is given the name of 6 amazing animals and their peculiar properties. So first, when oysters are generally used for the pearl production. It is meant for the rearing, for the production of the pearl. So oysters can change from one gender to another and back again. So oysters can change from one gender to another and back. Suppose one oyster is male, so male can be converted into the female and again it become or it may be male. So in this way, suppose one oyster is female and it may be changed or converted into the male and again it may be converted back into the female. So this is peculiar fish. Next one, a father sea catfish. A father sea catfish keeps the eggs of its young ones in its mouth until they are ready to hatch. It does not eat until the young ones are born. It means the father sea cat eat nothing till hatching of the eggs. And this is a peculiar feature. Next one. So next one, father sea catfish. Oyster first, second catfish. Sorry, sea catfish. Father sea catfish, and next one is electric eel. Electric eel. What a peculiar feature. Unlike most fish, electric eel cannot get enough oxygen from water. In every 5 minutes, it comes to surface to breathe. It is also known for its excellent swimming, as it can swim both backwards and forwards. This is the peculiar feature. It can swim both forwards and backwards. In both directions it can swim. Now next one, a quail. 4. Quail. A quail is a cat-like marsupial from Australia. One new term you are listening here. A marsupial. Marsupial is a group of the mammals which having the marsupia, in which they keep the young ones in the marsupia. As you know that in case of the mammals having three categories: Prototheria, Metatheria, and Eutheria. One variety of the mammals, one type of mammals are the egg laying as Echidna, while other as Prototheria and Metatheria. And this is another group of the mammals which are giving the young ones, but young ones are not fully developed. So mother keeps them in a pouch like structure which is in the stomach. So this is a group of the mammals having the marsupia, and other is Eutheria, as include the human beings, cat, goat, buffaloes. They give the birth to fully developed young ones. So in the same way, a quail is a cat-like marsupial from Australia. It sleeps in daytime with folded ears to block any sound from disturbing him. So next one, some wide-winged vampire bats. So here some wide-winged white-winged vampire bats. So some white-winged vampire bats pretend to be the chicks of a hen. Once in position under the hens, the bats feed on their blood. Once more, some white-winged vampire bats pretend to be the chicks of a hen. Once in position under the hen, the bats feed on their blood. Now next, cheetah. Cheetah is the only big cat that can that can turn around while sprinting. It cannot roar. This is the very peculiar feature. It is unable to roar. So once again, cheetah is the that can turn around while sprinting. It cannot roar. And one more important thing, did you know? You can also have to write this. Elephants can smell water up to 3 miles away. So elephants can smell water 3 miles, water up to 3 miles away. So thank you. That's for today. So you have to write this in your notebook. Thank you. That's for today.